Bang, 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 bang.
This is the deadliest weapon ever built. On the whole, its kill count even tops of nuclear weapons in sheer numbers. It can fire 600 bullets within a minute. The weapon uses a 7.62mm high-velocity round that can destroy whole areas of body. According to New York City trauma surgeons, they shatter bones, pierce through organs, and liquefy other materials as the round tumbles through the body. This is automat Kalashnikov 1947, or simply AK-47. In this video, I will show you history, design, and working principle of AK-47. Let's begin with history and design. During World War II, the Sturmgewehr 44 rifle used by German forces made a deep impression on their Soviet counterparts. The Soviets were impressed with the weapon and immediately set about developing an intermediate caliber fully automatic rifle of their own. In 1941, Mikhail Kalashnikov began his career as a weapon designer in 1941, while recuperating from a shoulder wound which he received during the Battle of Bryansk. After 6 years, Mikhail Kalashnikov designed the accepted version of the weapon, a weapon named Automat Kalashnikova, Russian for Automatic Kalashnikov, for its designer Mikhail Timofeyevich Kalashnikov. Now at time, the world has 100 million AK-47s within 106 countries. Now let's go to the working principle of AK-47. When trigger is pulled, hammer releases and strikes firing pin. Firing pin punctures bullet primer, which contains a compound that explodes to ignite the gunpowder. Expanding gases force the gas piston backward. The bolt primer. The bolt carrier is forced back, ejecting casing. Bolt pulls a new round from the magazine and inserts into barrel. Bolt carrier also resets hammer to starting position. The sear keeps hammer held in place until bolt carrier returns to position. To fire in automatic, the selector is moved to the mid position. This holds the disconnector back, keeping it from catching the hammer while trigger is pulled or pressed.